Fresh ingredients, delicious treats. This kids' cooking kit includes all dry ingredients, pre-measured and vacuum-packed to preserve freshness. These yummy pretzels are made from kosher ingredients manufactured in a USA facility. Easy-to-follow instructions. This kids' baking kit includes pre-measured ingredients, a shopping list for wet ingredients, and step-by-step instructions with kid-friendly illustrations, making it easy for bakers of all ages to follow. Educational activity. This cooking set for kids teaches kids basic kitchen skills and baking techniques so young chefs can learn and build confidence while creating their very own kitchen masterpiece. Great gift for kids. Give kids the best gift by making memories baking together in the kitchen. This soft pretzel making kit makes the perfect gift for girls and boys ages 5 to 12 plus and makes for special parent-child bonding with kids or grandkids. Bake with our head chef. Scan the QR code in the kids' baking kit to access a bake-along video guided by Baketivity's head baker. With the help of a real live professional baker, your child will feel like a baking pro too. Top reviews from the United States. Daughter loved them. Purchased these for my daughter's birthday and she loved them. They actually turned out to be quite good. I had gotten her the same brand but the cupcakes and they kind of tasted like cardboard. I do think they could lower the price a little but all in all pretty good. I will purchase again.